Investors are alarmed by rampant daily rates of new coronavirus cases worldwide. Amid risk aversion, futures on the US stock indexes are trading lower. On the contrary, the US dollar index is picking up steam across the board, including the Canadian dollar. Futures on the US benchmark indexes are trading lower as investors are stoking fears about prospects of the global economic recovery because soaring numbers of people are tested positive for COVID-19. Futures on the Dow Jones shed 0.33% today. The Nasdaq is down at the same degree, and the S&P 500 slipped by 0.45%. Investors have grave doubts about the rapid recovery of the global economy due to the likelihood of imposing tighter restrictions, particularly in the United States. Another reason behind the decline in the US stocks is that investors are poised to lock in profits until the year end. Besides, market participants are cautious, waiting for Congress to pass a stimulus bill to prop up the ailing domestic economy. Last week, Republican and Democratic senators made an attempt to settle a draft bill worth $908 billion. Meanwhile, the US currency managed to stem the strong nosedive in the second half of the trading day. At the moment of preparing material for this video, the US dollar index is making efforts to regain losses. So the index is gyrating with a broader price swings. Nevertheless, it's trading with an overall flat dynamic at the level slightly below 91 points. The US dollar rebounded 0.02% against its Canadian rival. The currency pair is trading a bit higher at 1.2800. Today, the US Food and Drug Administration is due to release a 100-page report with its evaluation of human trials of coronavirus vaccine developed by pharmaceutical companies Pfizer and BioNTech. On Thursday night, the watchdog should pass a verdict on whether to approve this vaccine for emergency use or not. Previously, the UK became the first Western country to launch a mass vaccination against COVID-19 using jabs by Pfizer and BioNTech. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.